It is steak tonight. Y'all hadn't seen me cook on this GCI outdoor table that I reviewed before. So, I'm going to show you how I cook steak. It's not anything different. It's just how I cook steak. I like cooking them on this little grill because it cooks steaks the way we like them, which is, in our opinion, good. You cook steaks like you want them, we cook them like we want them. We started cooking them by the temperature, and they seem to be tenderer and they taste good. So with this, I took it on high and I watch it very carefully, and it doesn't take very long at all, and just cook them by the temperature.
I'm making Duane a little salad. Lettuce, cheese, cucumber. I had a little bit of hard salami left, so I put that in there. And I'm cooking myself some shredded Brussels sprouts. Yeah, he doesn't like Brussels sprouts. I do. So I'm cooking that on our little, what do you call those?
Hot plate.
Hot plate, yeah. On a little hot plate. And then I'm going to have Brussels sprouts. He's going to have a salad. And as I'm slinging it all over the stove, he's going to have salad and steak.
The one thing that I've learned about cooking steak is to not flip it until one side is done. So the way that I check that is to see if it will move. And from what I read and my experience is, once it releases, the meat naturally releases from the grill itself, is when you can slide it. That's a good time to flip it. Depending on how medium rare, well done, what you want to cook it. Not quite. Just a couple more seconds. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, that one has released. Oh, look at there, look at there. That one has released. Yeah, buddy. Gonna have that charcoal flavor. Okay, our other little trick is we cook them to a point, then I put them in butter. And we let the butter kind of seep into the meat. So we'll show you in just a minute.
Okay. These are the steaks that he cooked. And like he said, we just kind of let the butter melt on them. And I seasoned them a little bit. They don't have a whole lot of seasoning on them. But the butter is going to melt in them and just give them a different taste. And they're going to be good. I am ready to taste them. And like I said, Duane's gonna have a salad. I'm gonna have some Brussels sprouts. And yeah, that's gonna be dinner.
Well, guys, this is how we like our steaks. We found that we were overcooking steaks. Now, some people like them rare, some people like them well done, some people like them however they like them. This is how we found that we have really started enjoying steaks this way. You cook them like you want to cook them. That's your business. So, this is what we having for dinner tonight. So we'll check you out in just a minute. We're gonna go eat.